Are you looking for the best HEPA air purifiers? In this video we will look at some of the best HEPA air purifiers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Coway AP1512HH HEPA Air Purifier. The Coway AP1512HH Air Purifier didn't just win the Best Air Purifier of 2018 at Wirecutter for nothing. Its efficient and impressive 4-stage filtration with its smart real-time pollution sensor made all that possible. From filtering visible dust particles to invisible micron-sized air pollutants, the Coway AP1512HH is engineered to ensure that you enjoy quality breathing with a coverage of 361 square feet. And it also takes care of odor and volatile organic compounds. Furthermore, the fans are engineered to operate in 3 speed stages which you can manually adjust to clean the air as fast as you want. Even smarter, the Coway AP1512HH is built with a pollution sensor feature that manages the purification of air in real time. This is clearly indicated on the LED light display, so when no further pollution is detected by the sensor after 30 minutes, it brilliantly switches to eco mode, stopping the fan to save energy. Furnished with a timer mode system, this purifier can be set to operate for 1, 4 or 8 hours before powering off, saving some power, and comes with a pre-filter and true HEPA filter which aids effective cleaning of the air. Maintenance of pre-filters can be done by cleaning them out or when HEPA filters require complete replacement, which is indicated on the machine. Number 2. Medify Air MA42.0 Air Purifier. Check out this compact but mightily efficient air cleaner. It performs air cleaning operations at a rate of 1,600 square feet per hour, 840 square feet in 30 minutes and 420 square feet in 15 minutes. Impressive, right? Wait till you hear that it's Energy Star and ETL certified, fully tested to remove 99.97% of particles sized as low as 0.1 microns. This is unlike most air purifiers that can only boast of 0.3 micron particle removal. The Medify Air Medical Grade True HEPA Air Purifier is designed with 4-fan speed operation, making its air cleaning efficiency more superior to options with 3-fan speed. Functioning with a power requirement of 110 volts, it's a super energy saver. Even more, the child lock feature is a brilliant innovation that keeps the kids from messing around with your purifier. Besides top quality H13 and true HEPA filters, it's further furnished with a carbon filter and carbon pellets. These further promote the removal of toxic odors, smoke, and violations of organic compounds. For easy maintenance, the filters are designed in a single cartridge mode for easy replacement. Furthermore, there's an optional anion generator that produces negative ion anion charged particle pollutants, trapping them inside for delivery of extra fresh air devoid of germs. It's a little pricey at $270, but Medify threw in a generous lifetime warranty on all parts, including service for registered products. Number 3. Germ Guardian Air Purifier. This is yet another air purifier that satisfies both affordability and quality delivery. The Germ Guardian Air Purifier True HEPA filter features a 3-in-1 cleaning system. There's also a 2-in-1 pre-filter and charcoal filter which traps large particles such as pest, dust, pet air, and of course odors. The second level is the true high-performance HEPA filter, which further captures particles like pollen and pet dander. What's more, the UVC light, which is optional, further enhances the air cleaning system, taking care of germs such as bacteria and viruses. Delivering a cleaning coverage of 167 square feet, the Germ Guardian AC4825W offers a 3-speed setting which includes a quiet operation mode suitable for nighttime. Maintenance is also very easy thanks to genuine Germ Guardian filters, replaceable every 6 months for optimum performance, which is indicated by a light on the machine when required. It comes at a cheap price of $96.69, and you bet it's Energy Star certified as an energy saver. Number 4. Medify MA25 Medical Grade Air Purifier. The Medify MA25 is a high-performance air filter furnished with the power of 2 filters, a true HEPA filter and an H13 HEPA filter besides the pre-filters. Now that's double 3-in-1 action, removing large particles and micron-sized ones down to the size of 0.1 microns, which include viruses and bacteria. Altogether, the Medify MA25 Medical Grade Air Purifier purifies air at a fast rate of 1,000 square feet in 1 hour, 500 square feet in 30 minutes, 250 square feet in 15 minutes. With a power requirement of 110 volts, it's a brilliant energy saver and is even ETL certified. The 3 fan speeds also contribute to energy saving by adjusting the cleaning operation to low noise mode. It also comes with a child lock feature so the kids won't rearrange the settings. Engage the timer mode, which offers up to 8-hour programmable timing. In addition, there's an optional anion generator which also promotes effective air cleaning. Medify always throws in a generous life warranty cover as long as the filters are changed every 6 months with genuine Medify air filters. Number 5. LEVOIT Air Purifier. AHAM, Association of Home Appliance Manufacturers, is an ANSI-accredited organization that sets strict standards for appliance performance. Air purifiers with the AHAM verified seal have been independently tested for air cleaning performance, safety, and energy efficiency. When you choose an AHAM certified air purifier, you're choosing a product trusted for reliable and effective indoor air quality improvement. Certified by the Association of Home Appliance Manufacturers, AHAM, the Vital 200 SP has been independently tested to meet strict air purification and safety standards. The Vital 200 SP is designed specifically for allergy groups, effectively preventing allergens such as pollen, pet hair, dander, and dust from the air. Its efficient filtration system captures tiny particles, significantly improving indoor air quality and helping you and your family enjoy fresher air. The LEVOIT Vital 200 SP Air Purifier delivers advanced air purification for large rooms up to 1875 square feet, ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, basements, and open-concept homes. It's built to handle high-traffic spaces in pet households. Purify your air quickly. With a traditional air inlet and the additional U-shaped air inlet, airborne pet hairs and odors can easily be trapped without causing clogs.